Severe winds are set to sweep across the high plains this Friday, driven by an intense pressure gradient around the surface low. As the center of the low moves northeast, expect wild and rapidly changing weather conditions. Ahead of this deep trough, a warm air mass will surge from the south into the Great Lakes and Ontario, creating a stark contrast with a cold cyclone to the west. While the Northeast enjoys a surprisingly warm day, fresh snow will blanket areas from the Rockies to Minnesota and Western Ontario. This winter storm, developing Friday and moving through Saturday night, will bring heavy snowfall, 6 to 10 inches in the northern plains and upper Midwest. Be prepared for significant traffic disruptions and near zero visibility due to blowing snow and blizzard conditions. Stay safe out there.